Developing news tonight, an LA Rams player arrested. Now police, the DA, NFL, and the Rams are investigating. Mike Rogers, you got a tip about this arrest.
So Mike, tell us what you've been able to confirm about the arrest and what exactly led to it.
Yeah, you know, Susie and Chauncey, I went straight to the LA County Jail's booking information site, and there he was, Derion Kendrick, in custody or arrested by the LAPD's Hollywood division. Now, this all happened last night, just hours after the Chargers win on Selma, when he was pulled over. LAPD tells me it was because his windows were tinted too darkly. Officers stopped to conduct that traffic stop. When they walked up to him, they say they noticed an open container of marijuana inside the car. That gave them the probable cause to be able to search the vehicle. They did and found a handgun. They say that gun was not registered. Therefore, he was arrested for that felony. Now, because of LA County's new zero bail policy, he was not ever taken to the inside of a jail cell. It was a simple cite and release, excuse me, with a promise to appear in court. Now, we asked LA Rams head coach Sean McVay about the arrest. Here's what he had to say at a press conference today.
Life isn't perfect. I've certainly made my mistakes, and how can we continuously educate guys on how to avoid these, and then also understand, you know, all the layers that are involved in a situation like this before I kind of dive deep into having an opinion and passing judgment.
Yeah, meanwhile, the LA County District Attorney's Office will now be presented by the case by the LAPD to decide if they will file charges in this. Now, McVay also went on to say that the NFL has now launched an investigation, which is standard protocol into this. McVay was also asked about the certainty of him playing, and he said simply he just doesn't know. But again, he is out of custody tonight, guys.
All right, Mike, thank you so much.